Jai Shri Guru Bhagavat. The Science of Death. The Indicators of Imminent Death. When death is imminent, the dying person spontaneously receives some subtle knowledge. Before entering the subtle world of death, one gets such subtle experiences. Nature always gives indications before ushering in such a change in the life of a human being. Therefore, as the moment of death arrives, the dying person gains some subtle knowledge which is required to sustain him in the subtle world of after death. By this time, various energies operating in human body starts to get concentrated at a point. The five vital airs, apna, udana, samana, prana, vyana, with their five powers shift to the center of the forehead, bhrukuti. The center point between the two eyebrows starts throbbing with a reddish tinge hue. His eyes gets transfixed and his nose gets slightly deviated. Atop his head gradually a halo ring of transparent light begins to appear. The convulsions in the region of Bhrukuti also becomes faster. The subtle particles in the entire body starts vibrating rapidly. Gradually, those particles condensifies over his head and starts taking the shape of a human being. All the subtle energies of the body gets concentrated in his brain cells. Before actual death takes place, the subtle body of the dying person starts being formed. When the subtle particles get condensed, the shape of the dying man begins to take form. Gradually, it takes the complete shape of the dying man and stands over the head, an apparition. The outlines of the subtle body slowly starts manifesting clearly. As the shape becomes clearer, the death of the person becomes nearer. Ultimately, the subtle physical form of the dying man manifests clearly. His feet seem to be attached with the center top of the head, called Brahmarandra. It does not look like a human feet, but looks as if it is attached with the head in the form of a translucent thread of light. That's why it is said that unlike human beings, the Preta does not have feet. An ordinary person cannot see the subtle body of the Preta. Only the yogi who has experiential knowledge about the subtle world can visualize it. Jai Shri Guru Bhagavat.